Hello students. So in previous video we have learned how to find percentage of 10 and the family of 10. Now we will study for 1 and single digit numbers. See here. Basically we will start with 1. Now for 1% of 2300, the simplest method to find 1% is just neglect the last two zeros. So the answer will be what? 1% of 2300 will be 23. Similarly, 1% of 5000. Neglect the last two zeros. The answer will be 50. Now, here we don't have any zeros. Now, what we'll do over here? 1% of 632 will be, there are no zeros. So, we will put a decimal point, 2-digit decimal point, 6.32. So, the 1% of 632 will be 6.32. Similarly, again, there are no zeros in 432. What we will do is decimal of 2 digit, that will be 4.32. Now, further we will study percentage for single digit numbers. How we will find the percentage of single digit numbers? Let's see. Till now, we know that how to find 1%. Now, for single digit numbers like 5%, 6%, 4%, 7%, what we will do is, we will find the value of 1% first and then multiply it by that required number. For example, see, 5% of 4000. What we will do? We will find 1% first. 1% is what? We will neglect the last two zeros. It will be 40. Now 5%. 5% is what? 5 into 1%. 5% means 5 into 1%. Similarly, 5 into 40. Value of 5% will be 200. Okay. See, 7%. Again, 1% of this is what? 1% of 2200. Neglect the last two zeros. It will be 22. So now, first we will find 1% value, that is neglect the last two zeros. It is 1% is 22. 7 means what? 1 into 7. So value of 7% will be what? 7 into value of 1%. So 7 into 22. So the answer will be what? 154. Okay. Similarly, 6%. Now 1% of this is 150. We know that we have to put decimal of 2 digits. 1.50 means what? It is 1.5. 6% of this will be, 6% means 6 into the value, 6 into 1.5. 6 into 1.5 will be 9. So the value of 6% of 150 will be 9. Same 4%. So 1% of 567. We will put a decimal of 2 digit, that is 5.67. Now 4% means what? 4 into 5.67. Comment the answer below. Thank you.